front. No, the front.
There's not too much weight on that side.
Oh,
Okay.
oh, my nuts are gonna get cold.
Hello. Should have got your wetsuit. You jumped in.
Ready?
Yeah, you have to start like that.
It's gotta be tight.
Has to be tight. It's almost there.
I'm gonna lose this.
Hold on tight, Spence.
Good luck, baby. Go.
Got it.
Come on. Getting Getting up's the hardest thing. Woo! Oh.
Linz, are you sure?
Is it? No, it's really hard. It's all the weight of the water, right?
But is it because of the boat or is it Spencer?